Okay. Friday, I ordered some half moon wrenches off of Amazon. These are DURATECH. This is a 5-piece set, SAE. This is a 5-piece set, metric. We're going to cut these open and check them out. Now, really nice looking. Too bad I don't need the pad, but that just takes up way too much room in the toolbox. Yeah, have to print something out to. Lifetime warranty is nice. Hopefully I'll never have to use it. So what do we got here? Smallest, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8. This is what I'll be using the most probably, but will I focus in on that? Yes. Polish is nice. Like chrome plating doesn't look too bad. That's a small one. So the reason I purchased this was for this one right here, the 9/16. So I'm currently working on a Dodge Ram NV271 transfer case. And anyone who's ever worked on something like that knows the top two bolts, or studs in my case, are not fun to get to. They're in little pockets, and even with the transmission down all the way, I cannot get a regular wrench in there to crack them loose. So I used an offset box end wrench I had, but it's long, so it does not give me much rotation, when it's up in there. So that's why I got these. I figure if I'm going to buy one set, I might as well buy both sets. Check that out later. Let's see. 8, 10. Focusing on it. Like I said, the polish looks good on these. The chrome plating. They feel good. I don't know why us tool guys say, oh, it feels good, nice and heavy or dense, but it's like, I guess there are some tools out there that just do not, they just they don't pass the feel test stuff. I can't wait to try these out. I'll post a link in my descriptions of where I purchased these on Amazon. I hope you enjoy. Let's see if we get a closer look at these. Maybe this way's better. They do look good though. Can't wait to try them out.